Most people think auto repair shop owners make easy money. Cars keep breaking, customers keep paying, and the garage always looks busy. But behind those open bay doors is a business far more complicated than most people realize. When you receive a repair bill for hundreds or even thousands of dollars, it's easy to assume the owner just made a fortune. In reality, that money has to cover far more than just fixing your car. From the outside, a successful repair shop looks like a cash machine, but appearances can be deceiving. High revenue doesn't always mean high profit. Every repair involves skilled technicians, expensive equipment, careful planning, and constant coordination. A busy workshop doesn't automatically guarantee a successful business. Behind every repair is an entire team. Receptionists answer calls. Service advisors schedule appointments, and parts managers make sure the right components arrive on time. Modern vehicles are packed with computers and sensors. Before replacing a single part, technicians often spend valuable time diagnosing the real problem using advanced scanning equipment. Location can make or break an auto repair business. A shop on a busy road naturally attracts more customers than one hidden deep inside an industrial area. Opening a repair shop starts long before the first customer arrives. The building must be prepared with heavy-duty flooring, electrical systems, and specialized workshop infrastructure. Hydraulic lifts are among the most important investments. Every service bay depends on one, and every unused lift represents lost income. Industrial air compressors, electrical panels, and workshop utilities may not impress customers, but they keep the entire business running every single day. A clean waiting room builds confidence. Customers judge the professionalism of a repair shop long before they see the quality of the actual repair. Professional equipment costs far more than most people expect. Tire machines, wheel balancers, tool cabinets, and diagnostic systems quickly add up to a massive investment. Today's mechanics don't just repair engines, they troubleshoot software. Modern diagnostic computers have become just as important as traditional hand tools. Every modern vehicle contains dozens of electronic systems working together. Fixing today's cars requires technical knowledge that didn't exist just a generation ago. The most valuable asset in any repair shop isn't the building or the equipment. It's an experienced technician whose skills earn customer trust every single day. Finding skilled technicians is one of the biggest challenges in the industry. A great mechanic can increase customer satisfaction, while a poor hire can cost the shop both money and reputation. Experience matters. Master technicians solve problems faster, make fewer mistakes, and earn the trust that keeps customers coming back year after year. A mechanic's paycheck is only part of the cost. Payroll taxes, insurance, training, uniforms, and employee benefits all add to the true expense of every technician. Automotive technology never stops evolving. That's why successful repair shops invest continuously in training to keep their teams ready for the latest vehicles. In this business, trust is everything. A happy customer doesn't just pay today's bill, they're far more likely to return for future maintenance and repairs. An oil change may seem like a small job, but it's one of the most valuable opportunities to build long-term customer relationships. During every routine service, technicians inspect the entire vehicle. Catching small problems early helps customers avoid much bigger repairs later. Clear communication creates confidence. When customers understand what needs attention and why, they're much more comfortable approving future repairs. The most successful shops don't focus on one-time visits. They build loyal customers who return year after year for regular maintenance. A full appointment schedule brings stability. Predictable maintenance work helps keep technicians busy even when major repair jobs slow down. Inventory management is a constant balancing act. Too many parts tie up cash, while too few parts delay repairs and frustrate customers. Cash flow, not revenue, is what keeps a business alive. Even busy repair shops can struggle if too much money is locked away in inventory. When a car occupies a service bay waiting for a missing part, that lift stops generating income while operating costs continue to rise. Reliable suppliers make an enormous difference. Fast parts delivery keeps technicians working, customers happy, and the entire shop operating efficiently. When skilled employees, smart inventory management, and organized scheduling all work together, a repair shop transforms from a simple garage into a highly profitable business. Most repair shops don't fail because they run out of customers. They fail because small financial mistakes slowly build up until the business can no longer survive. When critical equipment breaks down, the entire workflow comes to a stop. Every hour a service bay sits idle is revenue that can never be recovered. Losing an experienced technician is about more than replacing an employee. It can also mean losing loyal customers who trusted that mechanic for years. A single unhappy customer can damage a shop's reputation through negative online reviews. In today's digital world, trust is earned slowly but lost very quickly. Successful shop owners constantly monitor expenses, cash flow, and profit margins. Good bookkeeping often determines whether a business survives difficult times. The future of auto repair is already here. Electric vehicles are changing the services repair shops have relied on for decades. Working on high-voltage battery systems requires specialized training, protective equipment, and strict safety procedures. It's a completely different skill set. The smartest repair shops are investing in EV certifications today, so they'll be ready for tomorrow's growing demand. Gasoline engines and electric drivetrains require very different maintenance strategies. Repair businesses that adapt early gain a major competitive advantage. Advanced driver assistance systems use cameras, sensors, and radar that must be precisely calibrated after many common repairs. This has become a valuable new service. Modern shop owners rely on data just as much as mechanical skill. Productivity reports, customer retention, and profit tracking guide every important decision. Opening a second location changes everything. The business begins operating as a system instead of depending on one owner's daily labor. Fleet maintenance contracts provide steady, predictable income because commercial vehicles need regular servicing all year long. The wealthiest people in this industry rarely spend their days repairing cars. They build teams, develop systems, and focus on growing the business. In the end, long-term success doesn't belong to the shop with the most tools. It belongs to the one with the strongest management, the happiest customers, and the discipline to improve every single day. The most successful repair shop owners eventually stop working in the business and start working on the business. Their focus shifts from fixing cars to building a company. Every completed repair, every satisfied customer, and every productive hour is carefully measured. The businesses that track performance daily usually outperform those that rely on guesswork. Customers don't just want their cars repaired, they want honesty. Clear communication and complete transparency turn first-time visitors into lifelong clients. A simple handshake after a successful repair represents something far more valuable than today's payment. It represents trust, and trust brings customers back again and again. Millions of vehicles travel America's roads every single day. As long as people drive, there will always be a need for skilled repair shops. The future belongs to workshops that can confidently service gasoline, hybrid, and electric vehicles under the same roof. Technology will continue to evolve, but one thing remains constant: shops that invest in new skills today will lead the industry tomorrow. Loyal customers are the foundation of every successful workshop. One satisfied customer often returns for years and recommends the shop to friends and family. Expanding to multiple locations creates new opportunities. Shared purchasing, stronger branding, and better management systems can dramatically increase profitability. The biggest decisions are no longer made beside a car, they're made around a meeting table, where strategy, leadership, and planning shape the company's future. An organized inventory system keeps technicians productive, reduces wasted cash, and ensures the right parts are available exactly when they're needed. Every large repair business started as a small garage with a single vision. Consistent improvement, not overnight success, is what builds lasting companies. Each new day brings fresh customers, new challenges, and new opportunities. Successful owners greet every morning with preparation, discipline, and confidence. The workshops that thrive over the next decade won't simply repair vehicles, they'll combine technology, customer service, and smart business management into one powerful system. So, can an auto repair shop build real wealth? Absolutely, but not because cars keep breaking. It happens because disciplined owners build efficient businesses that customers trust. In the end, the best repair shop isn't the one with the best mechanics, it's the one that's run like the best business.